हाय गाइस, बैक हियर अगेन फॉर अनदर वीडियो। मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब लोग बहुत ही अच्छे हैं। आज की वीडियो में मैं अपने कुछ व्यूज़ शेयर करना चाहूँगा इस मैजिक कीबोर्ड के बारे में, जो कि मैं पिछले 2 हफ्तों से यूज़ कर रहा हूँ। तो प्लीज़ stay tuned if you are planning to buy either the white magic keyboard which came out this year or maybe the 2020 gray one. So I hope through this video I will be able to answer some of your questions और आप डिसाइड कर पाएंगे whether to buy this or not. So first thing I have noticed is that it's heavy and sturdy. So when everything all thing put together, the weight easily goes above 1 kg. And I found the hinge to be very strong, and the magnets are stronger compared to the last year Magic Keyboard. And for setup, we just need to attach the iPad to the magnetic side, and the keyboard starts taking the power from the 3-pin smart connector. And also, it is not easy to open with one hand, क्योंकि इसका टॉप साइड हैवी है, तो आपको दो हाथ से ही इसको ओपन करना पड़ेगा. Using the two well placed and ultra stiff hinges, the Magic Keyboard allows user to enjoy a range of viewing angles up to 130 degrees. तो आप इससे easily bend कर सकते हैं 130 degrees तक, और accordingly आप अपने हिसाब से इसको अंदर या बाहर की तरफ bend कर सकते हैं. I'm using this on my 11-inch iPad Air 4, and considering the smaller size, I must say typing would be a lot fun on iPad Pro 12.9 inches. But initially, I took a while to adjust to this smaller size, but within couple of days I got comfortable with size, and typing was not very difficult. And थोड़ा confined space होने की वजह से starting में थोड़ा time लगा, but एक दो दिन के अंदर ही I was very comfortable, and I have written so many documents on it using my iPad within last 2 weeks. So I would say that the typing experience is really good, especially these keys are fabulous. आई फील एक जगह पे ये कीबोर्ड लैग करता है, वो है कि इसमें फंक्शन कीज़ नहीं है. सो फॉर इवन स्मॉलर थिंग्स लाइक टू इंक्रीज द वॉल्यूम और टू इंक्रीज द ब्राइटनेस, यू हैव टू एक्सेस द कंट्रोल पैनल, और यू हैव टू एक्सेस दीज डेडिकेटेड फिजिकल कीज़. सो आई थिंक ये काइंड ऑफ इरिटेटिंग होता है बार बार. अगर फंक्शन कीज़ होती तो थिंग्स वुड हैव बीन अ लॉट ईजियर, बिकॉज यूज़र पर्सपेक्टिव से देखें तो हर चीज़ यूज़र कीबोर्ड से ही एक्सेस कर सकता था. आई थिंक दिस वुड बी वन ऑफ द मेन रीजंस व्हाई पीपल आर कंसिडरिंग टू बाय द थर्ड पार्टी keyboards like Logitech and other Chinese brand keyboards instead of buying this Magic Keyboard. Apart from this being so expensive, I think this is also one of the reason. But at the same time, Magic Keyboard provides this extra charging C port, तो आप एट अ सेम टाइम चार्ज भी कर सकते हैं, और लाइक जैसे कि मैं अभी एक डॉक यूज़ कर रहा हूँ टाइप सी, तो वो भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं टू कनेक्ट ऑल अदर डिवाइसेस. मुझे अभी इसे यूज़ करते जस्ट 2 वीक्स ही हुए हैं, तो इस 2 वीक्स में मैंने कोई ऐसा मेजर स्क्रैच या फिर कोई स्मच तो नहीं देखा इस पर. लेकिन फिर भी टू मेक श्योर दैट it keeps clean and stay protected from the smudges and excess dirt, so I have applied this skin which is of marble texture, and I'm also using a very thin silicone protector to protect the keys from getting the excess dirt and from water, because this keypad is not water protected. I would definitely recommend you to buy a skin and this silicone key protector in case if you are going with the white keyboard, because these small measures can basically let us use this magic keypad for a longer period of time. So I would definitely recommend you. So this is the silicone protector I was talking about. So ये मैंने Amazon से ख़रीदा है, and you can get it from any site available in your country. So so this is a very thin kind of silicone protector which you can easily apply on your keypad, because this keypad is not water resistant. So in case if you accidentally spill something on it, it will damage. So to protect it from small little dust particles and from any kind of liquid, you must use it, because in the end it's a fragile item and it would cost you more. And so I would definitely recommend you to buy this. So in the end, I will conclude what all features you will get for the money you pay. First, the awesome trackpad and the kind of gestures it supports. Second, strong magnets compared to the last year Magic Keyboard. Third, extra Type C charging port. Fourth, a very sleek look which you may not get with any other keyboard available in the market. Fifth, the brand value. Sixth, a very good backlit keyboard. Seventh, fabulous keypad which you can only feel when you try it yourself. Eighth, the strong hinges which I don't think you will get in any keyboard. For instance, Logitech has the back support, not the hinges, which can tilt to the 130-degree angle and give this floating iPad look. Lastly, it would not be fair if I won't discuss the disadvantages of the Magic Keyboard. So first is that it is an expensive device. Second, it lacks the function keys. Third, you cannot turn on the backlight of the keyboard all the time, as the light of the keyboard adjusts to the light present in the room, and as it uses the ambient light sensor to adjust the backlight of the keyboard. And the last one is that the hinges only goes up to 130 degree, not beyond that. So it is not suitable to draw when the iPad is attached to the surface of the Magic Keyboard. So अभी तक के टाइम पीरियड में तो मैंने कोई भी इशू फेस नहीं किया है. सो इट्स बीन ओनली 2 weeks. मुझे इसको और भी टेस्ट करना है. देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स विच माइट टेक सम टाइम फॉर मी टू टेस्ट, लाइक मुझे इसके जेस्चर सपोर्ट्स देखने हैं कि कौन कौन से जेस्चर सपोर्ट करता है. एंड एज ऑफ नाउ I have come across and I know few of the gestures that I'll definitely share with you guys today by the end of this video. You can see that the backlit of the keyboard is really nice, and every font of the keyboard can be easily read. So I don't think that any one of you will be having any problem while typing inside a dark room or doing something when the light is really low. So I think it's a very decent style keyboard, and I'm using my MX Master 2S along with the iPad. So I have configured the side button to adjust the volume. So even if the keyboard itself is lacking the function keys, but using the mouse side keys, I'm able to adjust the volume up and down. Now there are few gestures that you can use. 3 fingers up will bring down the recent app. 2 fingers down will get the search. 3 fingers up will get to the recent apps. You can simply navigate to any app, and by 3 fingers swiping left and right, you can go to the other apps. 3 fingers up without holding will take you to the home page. So this is it from my side. I think I have tried to cover as max details as possible, and if you have any doubts related to this product, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up, and I'll meet you soon in my next video. Thank you.